And I sat on that mountaintop, out of breath. For the first time, faceless. No body. Essence and presence, I was not alone. They were all there, tired and whispering. We have walked. We have run. Our knees scraped, our hearts bruised, our eyes blurred and burned by tears. I saw shame stand in the back, and guilt spoke words. I never truly listened, but this time, I heard. I saw them all, the many's in me, a body once frail that I couldn't see. A grounded reply with a deep truth inside. No more rejecting or neglecting. I gave thanks to the many's in me, guiding to simply be. And in that moment, I was set free, loving all parts of me.